What is going on, everybody? It's Gordon Xavier here today to share with you guys a little bit of love, some good energy, and also a really cool idea that will enable you and help you create more lucid dreams in your life. And not just lucid dreams, but I mean like just really cool dreams in general. You want to be able to fly and just have fun dreams where you wake up with good feelings in your body. You wake up with good memories and experiences that you can now hold on to. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple of ideas that will support you. Sound good? All right, let's get it. So when it comes to your dreaming life, I invite you and encourage you to think in terms of vibration. Vibration, emotion, energy, feelings, thoughts. These are the things that this is the key to molding your life in every area, especially in your dream life. I used to think of dreaming as, something that just happened when you go to sleep, right? And when it came to lucid dreaming, I would just look at all these videos on YouTube. I would look up on the internet, look at different articles on all these different methods to create a lucid dream. And I found that the easiest, simple way to create a lucid dream is to first create the feeling in your body that you desire to get from a lucid dream. So when you imagine yourself to lucid dream, what do you desire? What are you trying to get out of this lucid dream? But the thing that most people desire when it comes to lucid dreaming is they desire to feel freedom. The reason we want to lucid dream is because you desire a feeling of freedom. You want to be able to fly and to do cool things and to do things without consequence. You desire freedom. And so the simplest way I can describe for you to be able to experience more lucid dreams is begin to enjoy the vibration of freedom. And so how can you do that? Well, free yourself from thoughts as often as you can. Free yourself from the belief that you are obligated to do certain things in your life. Free yourself from that. Go have fun. Dance, do some moves. One thing I love to do is I love to freestyle, right? I'll put a beat on and I'll just and I just go, right? And I get this feeling of freedom from that. I get a feeling of freedom from expressing myself fully. So think of some ways in your life in which you today can enjoy the vibration of freedom more. And you can also just simply sit down, close your eyes, breathe, and feel and relax and begin to just imagine what it feels like to lucid dream. Imagine that you had a lucid dream already and sit in that feeling. Sit in gratitude of that feeling. Sit in a memory. Any memories that you have in your life that made you feel free and carefree and just happy and joyful, sit in that memory as often as you can and allow that vibration to move in your body. Allow it to resonate within your being, and do it before you sleep. Do it all throughout the day, and especially before you sleep. And you'll soon find that your dreams will become more vivid. They'll become clearer, more lucid. And if you don't necessarily become aware that you're dreaming and gain the ability to shift around things in your dream, you're still going to have really cool dreams. Last night I had a really cool dream after having a really, really cool day filled with freedom-like feelings. That yesterday was filled with all these great feelings and emotions and energies that I carried with me into my sleep. And I had like 5 or 6 really awesome dreams. I had this one dream where I was semi-lucid. I would say I was semi-lucid because I was flying. And I was with my cousin. My cousin, he was, running like the Flash. He was just running around everywhere really fast. But me personally, I was flying. And I was flying in a really cool way that I've never been flying, like almost like Magneto from X-Men. I was just hovering and guiding my body and just, it was, yesterday I experienced the vibration of not only freedom, but I experienced the feeling of divinity. I experienced yesterday and today I'm experiencing a lot more in my life, and I'm starting to see it like replay my dreams more often. But yesterday I experienced a strong feeling of divinity, just being grateful for all the wonderful things that was coming into my life, and I noticed it carried into my dreams. And while I was flying, I had this Magneto or Professor Xavier kind of feel. I felt, like I was connected to divine energy in the dream. And so it reflected in my abilities in the dream. And I was flying in a really cool fashion, and it was just really cool. So point of this video is to sit in the vibration of freedom. Sit in the vibration that you desire to get from lucid dreaming. Sit in that prior to you lucid dreaming. You're a creative being. You can think any thought and you can feel any feeling that you desire if you're open to it and you focus. So sit in that feeling. Sit in it. Meditate on it. And really allow it to sink into your bones. Allow it to sink into your nervous system. Be grateful for it before it happens. Know yourself as a lucid individual, and your dreams will begin to reflect that. Stop trying to lucid dream and enjoy the vibration of being lucid. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, guys, be sure to like this, leave comments below, and let me know if this was useful to you. If it was, be sure to hit the notification button so you can be updated on further uploads. And, just send a little love the way. You ain't got to do nothing. If you don't want to do anything, don't do anything. Just send me a little love. I love your love. I'm grateful for your love. So, till next time, guys, be easy.